Hey everyone, Tristan back with another video, and in one of my prior videos somebody recommended that I do a what's in your camera bag video. So I guess I'll go ahead and do that here in this video. First, let me state that the camera bag is the Ono Bags Prince Street in camouflage. I actually ended up returning the leather one that I had previously and got the camouflage. And it's also a bit lighter. It's about a pound lighter, being waxed canvas versus leather. So that's something to note right off the bat. Also, I don't always take all three lenses. This is a Leica M system, and I sometimes just bring one or two lenses. But you know, I do have room in this bag for all these lenses. That's one of the great things about the Leica M system. It's a very light and compact system, yet the lenses are, you know, pretty much the best in the world. So let's go ahead and get started. As I mentioned, this is a Leica M system, and this is the Leica M10 with the 50mm Summilux f1.4 lens. Next, in terms of lenses, I've got the Voigtlander Nocton 35mm f1.2. You've seen that in a prior video. And then for wide angle or architecture, I've got a Leica Elmar M 3.8mm lens. A really nice lens for the price, actually, and nice and compact and small as well. That's pretty much it for the main compartment. I still have another compartment here. If I want to put a bottle of water or something on this side, I can do that. This is a filter pouch, and as you can see, it holds 3 filters. So I have some neutral density filters that I use when I shoot wide open outdoors, and this enables me to store the filters safely when I take them off the lenses. You know, sometimes you don't have a place to put a filter, so it's nice to have a little pouch to protect them. That usually goes in the outer pocket here. Actually, what I usually do is I put this, if I'm not carrying a laptop or a iPad, I usually just put this in the back here. I can put a 13-inch MacBook Pro back here, as well as an iPad if I want. Extra battery for the Leica M10 goes in the front pocket here. I've got business cards also, and I've got a lens pen cleaner as well that goes in the front pocket. And this is my iPhone 7 Plus. That'll either go in one of these front pockets, or I can put it in the back pocket here as well. Just slip it back here so it's easily accessible in this back slip pocket, or sometimes it's in my jeans pocket. And then lastly, I've got my Ban Aviator Sunglasses here. I'll usually stick those in that front pocket there. And then if I close the back up, it closes up really nicely, and nice compact shoulder bag. Not too heavy and works really well. Sort of a shoulder messenger bag, and it seems to be quite sturdy and, you know, hold all my stuff quite well. So that's pretty much it. That's been what's in my camera bag. And again, this bag is the Ono Bags Prince Street bag. I really like this camera bag. You can also use it for other things too, but it's sort of like a messenger style bag. For the Leica M system, they do make smaller bags, and that might appeal to you, but I wanted a bag that didn't look too purse-like, and also had a little bit of extra room for extra things, like for instance a laptop or a bottle of water and stuff like that, that I might carry on an everyday basis. Thanks for watching this video. Any questions or comments, please leave them, and I will see you in my next video. And also check the description field for pricing and availability on some of this stuff, especially the bag. See you in my next video.